Just like making scallion pancakes, or any of your favorite foods, manufacturing involves processing raw ingredients in a specific way to create a desired product. Until now, we have discussed all the advantages of personalized medicine, and in this section, we saw how customization can create challenges during manufacturing. Because each treatment is made for a specific person, sometimes it's difficult to mass produce biologically engineered medicines. That makes these forms of treatments expensive and challenging for many people to access. Solving these manufacturing dilemmas is an important area of scientific research that is critical to improving the health of millions of people.